Hi guys, this is your Chinese language teacher from Kenya, Faith 老师。大家好，这是你们的汉语老师 Faith 老师。Now, I hope you guys have been practicing your grammar structures. By now, we've been looking at a few grammar structures that especially disturb many students as they continue to learn Chinese language. Today, I'm going to look at the 3 do's. So we've got one the, another the, and another the. So probably some of you already know the 3 do's and others don't know. But even if you don't know, you will certainly come across these do's. So I'm going to look at them and give you sentence patterns that will help you construct sentences with those 3 do's. So let's look at our first the. Now, the first the is a common one because when you are beginning learning Chinese, you begin with this the. Now, this the is the possessive the one that shows possession. And this the is normally used after a noun. For example, we can say 老师的, meaning the teachers. You know, like the way in English we put the apostrophe and then we put s to show something belongs to somebody or something belongs to, I don't know. So we can say 老师的, the teachers. Now, another way we can use this the is after an adjective. For example, 漂亮的, 漂亮的. For example, 漂亮的头发, beautiful hair, you know. So this first the is used for possession. Now, let me give you a few more examples. For example, when we say 我的家庭, 我的家庭, 大家 note, 家庭 is family. And 我, we've already done 我 means me or I. So when I say 我的, it now changes from me or I to my. So it becomes 我的家庭, my family. Another example is 红色的包. I taught you the other day about colors and 红色 is red. So when we say 红色的包 means the 包, which is the bag, possesses the color 红色. That's why we are saying a red bag, 红色的包. Another example would be 这是中国的产品. 这是中国的产品. 大家 know 产品 means products. So when I say 这是中国的产品, I mean this is a Chinese product. Maybe it's something that I bought from China. So it's a 中国的产品. 中国的产品. Now another last example there. 他喜欢可爱的动物. 他喜欢可爱的动物. 大家可爱 means cute or pretty. Then 动物 means animals. So when I say 他喜欢可爱的动物, what do I mean? He likes cute animals. He likes beautiful looking animals. So 他喜欢可爱的动物. So that's the way we use the, that first the. Now let's look at my second the. Now this second the is like the ly in English. What do I mean? When we say quickly, the li, quickly. When I say hurriedly, that li, the ly is actually basically this second the. So this second the is used in between an adjective and a verb. So on this side we have an adjective, then in the middle we put this the, and then we put a verb. So it's mainly used to turn this adjective into an adverb. And guys, if you remember in English, when we put ly to words, we mean it's an adverb. That's why we are basically saying it's turning this adjective to an adverb. Let me give you a few examples. When we say 他认真的学习, 他认真的学习. Now look at this. 认真. 认真 means serious. And then 学习 is to study. 大家都知道, you all know that. 学习 is to study. So when I say 他认真的学习, what do I mean? 认真, serious, then there's a the, and then 学习. So seriously study. So he studies seriously. He's very committed to his studies. Another example. 他高兴地哭. 他高兴地哭. 大家高兴 is to be happy or to be glad. 哭 is to cry. So you can cry because of happiness. Someone has surprised you and you're so happy, you find yourself crying. So 他高兴地哭 means he cried happily. He cried happily. Now let me give you another example. 爸爸高兴地跳了起来. 大家跳 is to jump. So when you say 跳了起来, basically to jump up. So 爸爸高兴地跳了起来. What does that mean? Dad jumped up for joy. You know, Dad jumped up with joy rather. Then if we say another example, 他很快地吃饭. 很快地吃饭. 大家快 here is quick. And then 吃饭 to eat. So 他很快地吃饭 meaning he ate quickly or he eats quickly. So that is the second the, which is basically the ly in English. Now my last the, remember guys, we are looking at 3 do's. My last the is used to construct various kinds of compliments. We may not speak about all those compliments right now, but I'll give you a few examples showing the usage of the, and then next time we can look at more usages. So this second the basically is we have a verb on this side, we have this the, and then we have an adjective. So we have a verb on this side, we have this particular the, and then an adjective. Let me give you an example. 我弟弟跑得很快. 我弟弟跑得很快. The word 跑 means to run. It comes from the word 跑步. 跑步 is to run. So when I say 我弟弟跑得很快, I mean my brother runs very quickly. So meaning my younger brother runs very fast. So 我弟弟跑得很快. The manner in which he runs is 很快. So 跑得很快. That the is there. Then let me give you another example. 我姐姐唱得很好听. 我姐姐唱得很好听. 我姐姐唱 is to sing, comes from the word 唱歌 to sing a song. So 我姐姐唱得很好听. 好听 means when you listen to her singing is very nice. So 我姐姐唱得很好听. My big sister sings very well. A last example I'll give you is 他汉语说得很流利. 他汉语说得很流利. So the way he speaks Chinese, 说 is to speak, 流利 is fluent. So 他汉语说得很流利 means he or she speaks Chinese very fluently. And there you have it, guys, the 3 does. Now I know by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to know how to use the, how to use the 3 kinds of the. Until next time, see you. 再见.